Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a really quick video for you all. I'm going to be doing a longer tutorial of this hairstyle that I did on my Instagram page. So this style is like a puff and a head wrap to like a pineapple, but it's really a pineapple. I just keep rewearing this style over and over again. Like the style was fine, but I wanted to film a video for you all, so that's why I'm like taking it back down. As you can see, my edges are already done. I don't know if I'm gonna restyle them. So we're gonna spritz our hair with some water. Honestly think this style is best to do on old hair, like hair that needs to be washed. It's a really nice style to do when you're trying to extend wash day, like me. And then I'm gonna take my hairbrush and I'm just gonna smooth this down. When you're first styling your hair, you can add a little bit of gel to slick your hair down or some edge tamer, but I'm not gonna add any extra gel. So now I'm going to take my string that I used to tie my puffs and I'm gonna just pull my hair up to the front or to the top of my head. A lot of people ask me about my string. It's just an elastic headband that I got from the store years ago. I cut it in half and then pulled the elastic out, so it's nothing special or anything like that. It's a little crooked, but that's fine. The thing I love about this style is that your puff does not have to be perfect. So I got my little puff going. Took a bobby pin to secure my string in the back. Then I'm gonna take my Afro pick and just pick my hair up a little bit, just a teeny bit, so that it's more at the top of my head. Now, originally I did not do this, but I'm gonna do this in this video because I ended up doing it later. It's a really smart idea to do when your hair is longer and your puffs don't puff like they used to. You know, when you're at that perfect length stage where your hair just stands straight up on its own. Well, my hair, it's up a little more now. It's more voluminous now because I picked the heck out of my hair, but usually my puffs fall down around my face and my eyes like a mushroom. So to fix this problem, I just take a small ponytail holder and I'm gonna gather my hair up like this. Like that, holding my hands, and then I'm gonna take this ponytail holder and just wrap it around one time, probably like right here, so that my puff stands up just a little bit taller. Just pulling it through. I'm gonna have it right about here. You see what it does? It just it stacks your puff up a little bit. So I stack my puff. I'm just gonna shape it a little bit more. Okay, so I think this is fine. Now I'm going to take my head wrap. This is head wrap. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I did work with this brand. Their brand is called Covered by Miriam, and she honestly has some amazing head wraps. I'm gonna go buy me some more just to keep in like different colors and styles and textures. I already have mine folded in half because the wrap is like really big. So this is it folded in half, and then I'm gonna fold it again. I folded it again about halfway to this point. And now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take the head wrap like this and go ahead and put it towards the back of my head to have a wrap like this. As you can see, it starts to make your hair stand super tall. Just like that. Adjust it how I want it to be. I'm gonna grab at the base here. See, I got my two pieces like that. And I'm going to twist it. So I'm going to begin twisting it. I'm going to twist it one time like this. without getting my hair caught into the head wrap. So I have it twisted once like that. And then I'm gonna bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, and wrap it around. Again, without getting my hair caught into the head wrap. I wrap it around. And I'm wrapping it around and up. And then once I have it all wrapped around, I'm just gonna tuck the ends back into the wrap. To make like little curl tendrils, I took pieces of hair out of the puff and smoothed them and everything. Add that, and then, you know, as I said, I'm not gonna redo my edges because this is how I did my hair a couple days ago, so we're not gonna mess with that. Yeah, this is the final look. It's super quick and easy hairstyle to do once you get the hang of it. I don't know how it is like the first time you do it, but after the first time you've done it, it's really easy. It's like a cute pineapple puff head wrap style. This is how it looks from the back, if you can see, and this is the side. It's such a cute 2-in-1 because I don't know about y'all, but I love puffs and I love head wraps. So combining those two to make this style is just... Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you want to see any other quick tutorials from me or just any other videos in general, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and remember that your support helps me out so much more than you know, especially as a smaller and newer channel. If there are any quick tutorials you would like to see from me or just videos in general, comment them down below because a lot of the videos that I make are based on the things that you guys would like to watch. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna leave it right up here for you. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.